Hello, you're on the Runa Agro channel. Today we will tell you about the Ukrainian manufacturer of elevator equipment, Variant Agro Build, who was able to organize the production of industrial silos with a diameter of 32 meters in Ukraine, and we will try to describe this premium product in detail. Today, Variant Agro Build is the only domestic manufacturer of elevator equipment, which is represented in the segment of industrial silos with a diameter of 32 meters, successfully competing with the leading manufacturers from the EU and the USA. Labor dynasties and engineering potential of the city of Kharkiv, 16,000 square meters of production space. Variant Agro Build equipped with a new high-precision equipment, the availability of its own rolling variant lines, which have no analogs in Ukraine, allow creating a premium product, preventing corrosions on the end of the metal sheets, and also ensured ease of assembly with a 100% coincidence of connecting holes during installation. Due to the high quality, competitive price, efficiency of deliveries, partnership financial programs with the leading banks of Ukraine, as well as compensation of 25% of the cost of equipment from the state, the most demanding representatives of the Ukrainian agro-industrial complex preferred our products. Consider a model range of ventilated silos on the flat base with a diameter of 32 meters, which has a short name SVP 32.0. The model range has 18 models, where the first digits, 32, indicates the diameter. The last digits are the number of tires in the silo. Silo height, depending on the model, varies from 20 to 40 meters. The silo volume varies from 11,436 to 27,000 cube meters. Accordingly, the capacity for wheat will be from 9,000 tons to 21,000 tons, 606 kilo. The full line of SVP consists of 12 model groups that can satisfy the needs of the most different categories of customers. The most popular models from this 12 group are presented in this video. All the main elements of these equipments, such as panels, stiffeners, wall structures, roofing, roof beam system, aeration tries, are made of high-strength galvanized steel S350JD and Z350MA with a mass of zinc coating of 350 grams per square meter. Metal manufacturer Wuppermann-Stahl GmbH is the industry leader in galvanized metal. All elements are assembled by bolts with a strength class of 8.8 and 10.9, which are made of steel 20G2R and 40X, followed by quenching. Panel weight spacing 67 mm, sheet height 1139 mm. 4 rows of bolts on the joints of wall panels provide a secure fit. 3 stiffeners on one panel provide uniform load distribution. W-shaped ribs provide great rigidity compared to U-shaped or other shapes and improve the strength of the structure. The beam construction of the roof frame increased the strength performance and provides easy and speed of installation. Cable extensions provide a dome-shaped roof, improving the strength of the structure with the snow loads and loads during the silo loading and unloading. Installation of roof sheets provide for a 100% sheet overlap on a ridge joint with a minimum height of 72 mm and provides an unobstructed passage of precipitation, improves strength and tightness of the joints between the panel and the roof. The roof structure of the silo provides for a peak load of up to 20 tons. The design loads allow transport equipment with a capacity of up to 500 tons per hour to be placed on the overpass. This feature allows to support the overpass on the silo body, which saves space and the cost of installing freestanding supports and foundations for them. Allowable load from the thermal suspensions 2 tons. Roof fans improve the quality and the speed of silage aeration, eliminating condensation. Exhaust air duct housing have a diamond shape, the top of which is directed to the peak of the roof, which contributes to the unhindered descent of precipitation. The roof mesh around the perimeter of the roof at the junction to the body contributes to the removal of moisture to the outside, reduces the likelihood of formation of cake of turgid grain crabs. Continuous ventilation of the silo along the entire perimeter ensures unobstructed removal of condensate and ventilated air to the outside, which excludes the possibility of snow blowing under the silo roof. Snow load on the roof of the silo up to 240 kilograms per square meter. Wind load up to 73 kilograms per square meter. Seismic resistance on the Richter scale up to 8 points. Silo is equipped with upper fans in amount of 5 units with a capacity of 1.5 kilowatts each, and lower fans in amount of 8 units with a capacity of 30 kilowatts each, with the air exchange from 5,000 to 20,000 cubic meter per hour. Sweep auger, capacity 120 tons per hour, drive Tramac, Italy. 20 thermal suspensions with the installation of sensor with a step of 1.5 meter. The lower tire of the silo is equipped with a service hatch. The necessary number of wind rings, each with a diameter of 60 mm. An external staircase with a safety fence and platform for a rest. Roof stairs with a platform for a rest. Chemical anchors for reliable fixation of support elements. Reliable fire extinguishing system. Optional silo provided. Fire safety system. Internal staircase. Trestle above the silo. We will be happy to answer any questions over the phone or in person, as well as happy to arrange visit to our facilities and production in Kharkiv for a detailed study of quality control system for raw materials and finished products. We are sure that we are able to meet the expectation of the most demanding customers and offer the best conditions for cooperation in our market.
На нашем рынке.